First reading, Deuteronomy chapter 4 verse 1, 5-9. And now, Israel, listen to the laws and customs which I am teaching you today, so that, by observing them, you may survive to enter and take possession of the country which Yahweh, God of your ancestors, is giving you. Look, as Yahweh my God commanded me, I have taught you laws and customs, for you to observe in the country of which you are going to take possession. Keep them, put them into practice, and other peoples will admire your wisdom and prudence. Once they know what all these laws are, they will exclaim, "No other people is as wise and prudent as this great nation," and indeed, what great nation has its gods as near as Yahweh our God is to us whenever we call to him? And what great nation has laws and customs as upright as the entirety of this law which I am laying down for you today? But take care, as you value your lives. Do not forget the things which you yourselves have seen, or let them slip from your heart as long as you live. Teach them, rather, to your children and to your children's children. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 147 verse 12-13, 15-16, 19-20. Praise Yahweh, Jerusalem, Zion, praise your God, for he gives strength to the bars of your gates, he blesses your children within you, he sends his word to the earth, his command runs quickly, he spreads the snow like flax, strews hoarfrost like ashes, he reveals his word to Jacob, his statutes and judgments to Israel. For no other nation has he done this, no other has known his judgments. Gospel, Matthew chapter 5 verse 17-19. Do not imagine that I have come to abolish the law or the prophets. I have come not to abolish, but to complete them. In truth I tell you, till heaven and earth disappear, not one little stroke is to disappear from the law until all its purpose is achieved. Therefore, anyone who infringes even one of the least of these commandments, and teaches others to do the same will be considered the least in the kingdom of heaven. But the person who keeps them and teaches them will be considered great in the kingdom of heaven.